For dashboard, we will click on this icon and we will get the new dashboard. So before starting, we will select the size of the dashboard. So according to my laptop's pixel size, I will be using some specific width and height of the dashboard. So before doing that, I will suggest you can use your width and height according to your pixel size of your laptop and system, or you can keep it as fixed as well. So I will change it for now. I will use for me as 11, width as 1155, and for height I will use as 592. Okay, so this is the perfect size for my pixel for my laptop. So now before starting, I will just activate the title name of my dashboard. I will just click on show dashboard title. I will edit this and I will use this as IPL analysis. Okay, then we will format this little bit. We will make it as Tableau bold, center it, and we will use the color, for now we will keep it as black only. And next is what we want to add one more layout here. We can see that in the item hierarchy, we can see here one tiled view have been created. This tile is nothing but it is the entire what we can say the container of this dashboard. So we will select that. In layout, you have to go in item hierarchy, and tile you have to select it, and you have to give the background color for this. Okay, we will give the background color as light gray color. So this will help us how our containers are placed, where are our containers, how the borders are there, how much padding is given in between the two sheets. Okay, so now we will go ahead and change the color of this. We will make it as blue according to our color palette. So we will right click here, we will go in format title, and in format title we will go ahead and make here shading as blue. Okay, we will get the blue shading here, and we will change this title to white color. Okay, we will make it as white, apply. Okay, right. So now next is what we will take an vertical container and we will place here. In that vertical container I will add one horizontal container, and again in that vertical container I will add a one, what we can say, a blank. Okay, so here is the blank, here is the horizontal container, and outside one, this is total is the vertical container. We can see here the item hierarchy as well. Okay, so now this is our horizontal container. We will try adding our sheets here. Okay, this is the container. I will go in dashboard, I will try adding our sheets. So first we need the orange cap, first we need the title winner. Okay, we have the title winner, then we need the orange cap, then we need the purple cap holder, right? Then we need our tournament success, then we need our tournament force. Okay, so this is our KPI settings, and we will close this. We don't know about this, right? So now how to give color to this. Okay, so first this color it is automatically taking, or I think so I have changed this, so I will just edit this. I will right click here and I will go to format title, and here you can give the shading to the title. Similarly for this, what we will do, I will right click here, go in format title. In shading you have option, or we have the color for this. Similarly for here, we will go in format title, and here we have the shading. Similarly for this, we will make the shadings same, the blue color. Okay, similarly what we will do, we will make this as white color, make this as white color, and we will center line this. Okay, similarly for this. White color, apply. I will left align this, apply. Okay, I will tell you why I have done this. We have to choose this as Tableau bold, make it as white color, left, apply. Okay, we will make this as center, or we will make this as well left, and make this white. Okay, similarly for this, white color, left, apply. Okay, so in our this dashboard, guys, you can see here we want one more thing here, is like one more blank sheet we need here, and we need the name of the sheet as select season, and this sheet will take the filter, and it will take the legends, and it will take this logo. So we have to add this sheet as well. So how to add this, what we will do here is, we will take one more sheet here. Okay, and this sheet we will take as select season. The name of this we will take as select season, and it will be blank. Okay, we will nothing add here, and we will see here there is a, sorry, we will see here there is one sheet created, and we will just add it here. Okay, so now what happened, this everything is getting disturbed. So what we will do, we will click on select season, then we will go here and drop down, then we will click on select container. Again, after this container is selected, there one more drop down is created. We will go in this thing, and we will click on what, distribute the contents evenly. I will tell again once, I will undo this. We will go in this sheet, we will click on this drop down, we will go on select container, which container these sheets are placed in, that container will be selected. Then we will go again the containers drop down list, and we will distribute the contents evenly, so all the sheet will take the same space. Okay, they will take the same space overall, right? So now what we will do, we will rename this as well. We will check the sheet as Tableau bold, we will make this as white, apply, okay, and we will edit the title, sorry, format the title, and we will take the shading as blue. Okay, so now you can see here in our this dashboard we have got this as well. So now next task is to add these images below. Okay, so now how can we add these images? And one more thing next, which we forgot to do, is like we have to add here as runs and here as wickets. So we will do that immediately. We'll go in this particular sheet, we will go in this text, and in text we will add here as batsman, so it will be runs, manually apply, okay, this will be all for all seasons. Okay, similarly we will go in again our dashboard, we have to do this for purple cap as well. We will go in text, and here we will put as wickets, apply, okay. See, everything is reflected in dashboard now. So now one more thing which we have to do is we have to add the images. So to add the images, what we will do again is we will add one more horizontal container below here. Okay, so we added one more horizontal container below this. So now what we will do, this horizontal container will take the images. So now to take the images, we have to add blank sheets here. Okay, what we will do, we will add one blank sheets, and we will take here the blank, what we can say, the container from here. Okay, so to make again one blank sheet, we have to click on sheet. Okay, and here we will rename this as blank sheet. Okay, we will do nothing here, only we will name it as a blank sheet. Okay, so then we will go in this blank sheet, and we will take this into this container. Okay, so you can see here there is a blank sheet. So how many sheets are required here? The sheets which are in above container, that much number of sheets are required here. So one we have already taken here. So how many are there at up? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so one we have already taken, so we will take 5 blanks from here in this container. So we will take 5 blanks in this container. You have to add in this container, guys. Okay, so you can see here one small box has been appearing here, which allow you to put this, what we can say, this particular blank in this container. Okay, so we will release it here. Again, you can put in middle, or you can put in left also. I will put it in middle because it will be easy for you to understand. The second one, third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. Okay, so you can see the 5 are inserted in between this horizontal container. So but they are not taking the same size, right? They are not taking the same width as they are taking for the upper container. So what we will do, again we will select this sheet, we will click on this drop down list, and we will say select the container. Okay, this will select the overall container. Then we will click on this container drop down list, and we will distribute the content evenly. Okay, you can see that this content is distributed evenly. Then we will right click here, and we will hide the title. So now what we have to do, we have to make this background of all these containers as white. So what we will do, I will click on this first blank sheet, I will go here and make it as white. Okay, but the background we will make it as white. Similarly for this, I will make the background as white. Similarly for this, I will make this white. Similarly for this, we will make this as white. Similarly for this, we need this as white, and similarly for this also we need to make this as white. Okay, so we can see here, guys, all the containers they are made as in white. Okay, so now the next thing what we have to do is what, now you can see here in between these two containers there is one small gray gap is there, means what, there is some padding with for these two sheets. Okay, so if I click on these sheets, see here, when I click on this particular containers blank sheet, so we can see, and when we go in layout, there is a padding is provided here. So what we will do, I will click on this padding, I will unlock this. Okay, so first you have to unlock this center one. Okay, and I will make this padding as upper padding as 0, and similarly I will go for this sheet. Okay, I will go in layout, for this I will unlock this, and I will make, for this I will make bottom as 0. Okay, so now you can see here, you can see the space or the white space between these two has been gone. Okay, or the gray space between these two has been gone, and it will be visible as single one, total one sheet or one container. Okay, similarly we will do for this all the sheets. Okay, we will select these bottom sheets, and for these bottom sheets we will unlock this and we will make top as 0. Okay, similarly for this we will unlock this and we will make top as 0. Similarly for this we'll make top as, unlock this and make top as 0, unlock this, make top as 0. Similarly for this, unlock this and make top as 0. Similarly for upper containers we will go, for upper containers we have to make bottom as 0. For this make bottom as 0, unlock first and make then make the 0. Okay, similarly unlock this, make this as 0. Similarly unlock this, make this as 0, unlock and 0. Okay, so see guys, you can see this total, the sheets or what we can say the containers are looking as a 1. Okay, so this is nothing but what we have done. Okay, so 1 second, something has happened here. So for this actually we have done everything at 0. So we will make first is as 4, we'll unlock this and then we'll make as bottom 0. See, whatever, if you are changing the container layouting will be disturbed, alignment will be disturbed. Okay, so you have to unlock and then only make it with as 0. So this is also remaining, unlock this and make this as 0. Perfect. Now next thing is what we have to add the images here. So now to add the images, always remember when we are adding the images, make this as floating. Floating is nothing but the container will not take the fixed size in the container which are there into the visualization. Okay, so let's say this is a sheet. When we are bringing this sheet, it will be movable or it can be replaceable or placeable anywhere we want. Okay, but if we make it as let's say I'm taking tiled container, and if I am taking these images as here, it will take this space. Okay, it cannot be moved anywhere in the dashboard. It will be fitted in that particular container only. Okay, so we have to make it as floating. It will be floating means it will be flexible, floating everywhere in the dashboard. So what we will do, we will make it as floating. We will take this as team image here. Okay, so we don't want this filter, we will close this, we will hide this title, we don't want this title, we will hide this title. And next thing what we have to do is, we will right click on this particular sheet, we will go in format, we will go in this format shading, and for this particular sheet we will go in this sheet, for this particular we will go in this sheet and we will make it as none. What we are doing is, guys, for this particular sheet we are making the background as transparent. Okay, why transparent? Because whenever it is moved here and there, it will be looking as a transparent image only. So now we'll be adjusting this image as per our size. It should be looking some greater size, so we will adjust this. Perfect. Okay, this is looking good. Just small placement, right? The next thing is, like, we have to make the orange cap. We will bring the orange cap here. We don't want this filter, we will close this. We don't want this as well. Okay, again we don't want this title, we will hide this title. Again we will right click on format, we will go in this particular format shading. In sheets, in this particular sheet we will go in worksheet and we will say none. Okay, and similarly what we will do then, we will place this as well. Okay, we will close this. Right, the next task is what, guys? We have to put the purple cap. We will bring the purple cap here. Okay, we will hide this title, then we will click on format shading, none, and here we will put this image. Looks good. Okay, so now for tournament 6, what we will do, guys, we don't want this filter, so we will close this. Okay, so for tournament 6 we are only going to put here a picture. It will be not dynamic, it will be a static picture. By changing a filter it will not change, so we will be using it as a dynamic. So what we will we will go ahead, and here is the image file is there. We will bring here as image. In here the floating should be on, guys, so we'll bring image. There will be one dialog box. I will click it as center. Fit image means what? It will be fitted in this particular whatever sheet or the container it is there. It will be at center, and it will be best fitted in that particular container. Then we will choose our URL. Okay, so wherever you have kept that, you can bring that, and I'm using this picture for this. Okay, and I will click OK and just make it smaller. Okay, so this is for 6. Similarly, I will bring one more image, that will be for 4. Center, choose, then I will go for this 4. Okay, I will place it here. Perfect. Okay, guys, so it is having some watermark. Doesn't matter, it doesn't matter, guys. If you are having any other pictures you want to use, you can use any other pictures for 4. Okay, so now this is done, so we will increase the small size. Okay, now what we will do, we have to add here filter, or we will add the filter at last. The next task is to add the second, that is what is that? These are the sheets. Okay, so now to add the sheets, we will bring one more horizontal container here, but it is tiled, so we don't want floating. It is floating, we don't want floating. We will click on tiled, and we will bring one horizontal container here. Okay, so this is the blank which you had taken first. We will close this blank. This is the horizontal container. Then we will bring the last 2 sheets, one, and the second one is this. Okay, we don't want this, we will close this for now. Okay, guys, then for we want to edit the title of this, so we will right click here. One sec. Okay, so we will edit the title, and we will make this as, let's say, we will make it as 12. We will make it as Tableau semi bold, and we will make it as color as red. Apply. Okay, similarly for this, we'll edit the title, we'll make it as Tableau semi bold, we'll make it as 12, and we'll make the color as red. Apply. Okay, and similarly again we will right click here, sorry, on the title, and we will format the title, and for shading we will take as white. Similarly for this, we will take edit title, sorry, format title, and shading as white. Okay, guys, now what we have to do is we have to add the filters. So now which filter we are needing? We are needing as a IPL filter. So we can select any one chart. We will select this chart, we will go in analysis, and then here we are having filter year. Okay, so now what we will do, we will make this as drop down list, and we will make this as floating. Okay, floating means it will be movable anywhere. Okay, so we will adjust this, and we will make this as let me check, single value drop down. Okay, so I have made this as single value drop down, and we will hide the title. Okay, guys, so we have hidden the title which we have used here. I will take this letter up. Then we want the legends of this particular chart, so I will click here, I will click on legends. So for this legend I will make this as well floating, and I will bring it here. And we can see the legends are arranged in horizontal order, so I will just click here and arrange it in single row. Okay, just I will bring it back. Okay, So this is arranged perfectly in single row, and here we have to add one more IPL image. So I will take here image. I will first make it as floating, then I will take it as image center, then choose the image which we want to bring here. I will choose this one, apply, okay. I will reduce the size. Okay, so this is perfect. The next thing which we want to do here is I will just make this as left, apply, okay. So now what we have to do is here, for this also I will make this as left as well. Now we have to bring these logos, this trophy logo, the purple cap logos, the 6 logos up here. Okay, so how to do that? Okay guys, so what we will do, again we have to do this one by one. We will bring a image here, then we will move this as center. We will choose the file. We have a trophy image here. We'll click on this, we'll click OK. We'll make it as smaller and we'll put it here. In this way, similarly we will taking one for orange cap as well. So we'll take it orange cap holder, center, choose, then we will take this orange cap, okay. We'll use it here, perfect. Then we will go ahead and we will take another image for purple cap, center, okay. This is our purple cap. Then tournament success, image for tournament 6 we have this, okay. Okay guys, okay, this is for 6. Then we will go ahead and bring it for force, okay. So this will be for force, okay. Then we have to bring the IPL logo, right? So we will go ahead and bring another image, where is it? Okay, they will use this, nice, perfect. Now everything is done almost. So now see, if we change the season, if we take it for 2008, we are getting the data for 2008. For 2016, according to that our dashboard is changing. You can see Sunrisers Hyderabad logo we are getting. We are getting Virat Kohli's logo. We are getting Bhuvneshwar Kumar's image, the runs he had made, the purple cap holders. The charts are changing according to that, right? Again, for 2016 we are getting these. For 2017 we are getting these. Getting now. So this almost our dashboard is all completed, guys. We have to just will increase the size of this dashboard. And actually it is in yellow color. Apply, good. We will make it as yellow, apply, increase the size more, 26, apply, okay. Now we have to arrange the logos here, okay. So what we will do, we will take the logos one by one of all the teams. So we will take the image here, we will center it, then we will choose the logo one by one. First is the RCB, okay. You can arrange it on your view, serially, whichever serial you want. Okay, the next one is what, the another logo we will take. We will take it for KKR. Okay, we'll place it here. Then we will go ahead and add another's first. Rajasthan Royals. Then we will go ahead another logo we have is for Delhi Capitals. Okay, we'll add another Gujarat line. Kings 11 Punjab. Then we will go for Lucknow Super Giants. These are new teams, I think. Mumbai Indians. Hyderabad. Okay guys, perfect. So this is the first dashboard actually which we have completed. Okay, and you can see here this is the layouting from start to end. The designing of the dashboard we have seen start to end. So I recommend you to practice this in your system so that you will get some hands-on and you will get some idea how to prepare the Tableau dashboards, and you will also learn how to use some advanced calculations. So we will see the other two dashboards in the next video, and till then, good luck. Thank you.